What's up, everybody? Today we're spilling the tea on milk tea. Is it really as innocent as it seems? We all have that friend, maybe that friend, no judgment, who's obsessed with milk tea. It's like their love language, their reason to breathe, their whole personality. But what if I told you this beloved beverage might be hiding some not-so-sweet secrets? Done, done, done. Before we spill all the tea, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First up, let's talk about the sugar in the cup. Some milk teas can pack more sugar than a candy bar. All that sugar might give you a temporary high, but trust me, the crash is not worth it. We're talking potential weight gain and increased risk of diabetes, and even saying bye-bye to your pearly whites. So, what's a milk tea lover to do? Just be mindful of your sugar intake. Try asking for less sugar or even no sugar next time you order. Your future self will thank you. Next up, caffeine. That afternoon pick-me-up could turn into a late-night sleep-deprived disaster. Too much caffeine can lead to anxiety, jitters, and even mess with your digestion. Not exactly the relaxing experience you were hoping for, right? So listen to your body. If you're sensitive to caffeine, try opting for decaf tea or stick to 1 cup a day. Avoid the caffeine chaos. Now let's talk about the milk in milk tea. For those of us who are lactose intolerant, that creamy texture can come with some not-so-pleasant side effects. We're talking bloating, gas, and some unpleasant bathroom experiences. But don't worry, my lactose-free friends. Many places now offer plant-based milk alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk. Indulge in that creamy goodness without the dairy drama. This next one might sound a little scary, but don't freak out. Tea, even in its delicious milk tea form, contains oxalates. When consumed in excess, they can bind to calcium in your kidneys and form kidney stones. Ouch! Kidney stones are no joke, people. So, what's the takeaway? Moderation is key. Enjoy your milk tea, but don't overdo it. Your kidneys will thank you. Let's talk about bubble tea. Those fun, colorful drinks with the chewy tapioca pearls. Many bubble teas are loaded with artificial flavors, colors, and sugar. While it might taste amazing, those artificial ingredients aren't doing your body any favors. So what's a bubble tea enthusiast to do? Enjoy your bubble tea as an occasional treat, but don't make it a daily habit. Look for places that use natural ingredients and offer customizable sugar levels. Your body will thank you. Have you ever chugged a giant milk tea on an empty stomach and then felt like your insides were doing the tango? Drinking milk tea on an empty stomach can lead to some serious digestion drama. The caffeine and lactose can irritate your stomach lining, causing acidity, heartburn, or even nausea. So here's a simple tip: pair your milk tea with a meal or a snack. This will help buffer your stomach and prevent those uncomfortable digestive issues. Let's talk about tannins. Tannins in tea can interfere with your body's ability to absorb iron, especially from plant-based sources. Now, this doesn't mean you have to ditch your milk tea if you're concerned about your iron levels. Just be mindful of when you drink it. Try to avoid drinking milk tea with meals that are rich in iron. Instead, enjoy your milk tea an hour or two after your meal. So there you have it, folks. The surprising side effects of your favorite milk tea spilled. But hey, don't despair. Now that you're armed with this information, you can make smarter choices about how you enjoy your beloved milk tea. Remember, moderation is key. Listen to your body, be mindful of the ingredients, and choose healthier options whenever possible. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more healthy living tips, and share this video with your fellow milk tea lovers. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep on sipping.